guys, do you know that right now you are learning and you're listening to me and you are smiling? Yes, my friend, you're already using the present tense here in English without even realizing it. But wait, have you ever been confused between I eat versus I am eating, or he goes versus he's going? So just don't worry, you're not alone. By the end of this video, I'll make you a present tense master ready to use it in your daily conversation, examinations, and even those funny Instagram captions. And I promise you, I'll keep it fun just because grammar doesn't have to be boring all the time. What is present tense? Let me sprinkle some English fairy dust on this. So present tense is your grammar superpower for talking about what's happening right now or things that are always true. I like to think of it as your English GPS. It tells you exactly where you are in time. So let me show you some examples. I'm talking to you right now. This very second, you are in present. You're watching this video. Yes, you are right now. So you are in present. The sun rises in the east. Universal truth that never changes. So present tense equals a snapshot of your present moment. So I'm ready to introduce you to the superheroes of present tense here. Each one has a unique power. Once I show you them, you'll never mix them up again. So champion 1 is present simple. Now its power is habits, routines, and facts. The formula I want you to remember here is subject plus base verb. Now before we go further, let's quickly understand one small but very important word, that is subject. So what is a subject? It's the person or thing doing the action in a sentence. जो उस sentence में उस काम को कर रहा होता है. That person is known as the subject or the doer of the action. Now think of it like this. Suppose you have a sentence, I eat an apple. So I is the subject, since I am the one who is eating. In another sentence, she plays guitar. She is the subject because she is the one who is playing the guitar. Now, in the dog runs fast, the dog is the subject. It's the one who is running. So, whenever you hear the word subject, just remember that it's the doer of the action in the sentence. Now, let me give you some examples of routine habits which we do as a subject. I drink tea every morning. I am the subject, as well as since it's a routine habit, the sentence is actually in simple present tense. I go to school. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. A fact. The earth revolves around the sun. Again a fact. So all these facts, all universal truths which cannot be changed with time, they are also automatically lying in the category of simple present tense. Now here are some magic words which you are going to use in your present simple tense. Always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day. Champion 2, present continuous tense. Now its power is things happening right now or temporary situations. The formula here would be subject plus am, is or are plus verb including an ing. Now here are my examples. I am speaking English. You can see with speak I'm using ing. I'm watching TV. I am watching. It's indicating an action which is actually happening. That means an ongoing action. I'm watching TV right now. She is living in London this year. Again, a temporary condition. Magic words which I use here are now, right now, at the moment, currently, today. So until here, let me give you a quick recap of what all I have taught you. Simple present tense equals everyday facts and habits. Present continuous tense equals live streaming your life right now. Champion number 3, present perfect tense. Its power is life experiences and past actions connected to now. The formula that we are going to choose here is subject, that is the doer, plus have or has plus past participle. Suppose you have a sentence, I have been to Paris. Now remember, has or have is used in the perfect tense. So you can use have here. I have been to Paris. Now this is a life experience. Whenever you are using has or have with some particular pronoun, it could be I, you, we, he, she, it, they, whichever pronoun you have, if you're using have or has, remember that you have to make use of third form of verb. That is called as the past participle form of verb. I think at least 3 forms of verb everybody knows, although there are 5 forms of verb. As of now, just make yourself comfortable with the 3 forms of verb, V1, V2 and V3. And the third form of verb, V3, is actually the past participle form of verb which is used with has or have in the perfect tense. Now, let's again take the same sentence. I have been to Paris. So, have is used in the perfect tense along with the pronoun I, and been is the third form of verb because the first form of verb is be. Second form was or were. Third form is been. Okay, and this is the third form we are using in the sentence. So I think it's fairly easy for you. I have been to Paris. Similarly, she has finished her homework, a recent activity. An activity which was recently done. We have started this video together. Now, champion 4, present perfect continuous tense. Now, it's again merging 2 champions here, perfect and continuous. So, its power is, it's going to include actions that started in the past and are still happening. The formula here would be subject plus have or has plus been plus verb including ing. So I can frame a sentence that I have been teaching here for 5 years. So this means I want to highlight an ongoing activity since long. Okay, so something that has been happening since long is something which I want to tell you in this particular tense. You have been watching me for 4 minutes now. Again, you can see there is usage of have, been plus verb, that is watch, including ing. Another example, it has been raining all day. So present perfect continuous. Now I want us to play a grammar detective together. Let me show you how these tenses show up in daily life. Now suppose you are at the coffee shop. Let me paint a picture for you. I drink coffee every day. Present simple. She is ordering a latte now. Present continuous. We have tried this cafe before. Present perfect. I have been waiting here for 10 minutes. Present perfect continuous. Here's another scenario I love. He posts selfies daily. Present simple. She's uploading a story right now. Present continuous. I have gained 1,000 followers this month. Present perfect. I have been scrolling for 2 hours. Present perfect continuous. My quick tip for all of you now is each tense paints a different picture of the same situation. Now here you have the English Fairy Challenge. I want to test your present tense powers now. Round 1, identify the tense. I'll give you sentences and I want you to identify them. So here goes the first one. I brush my teeth every morning. So that is present simple. She is cooking dinner right now. Yes, which one do you think? Present continuous. We have seen that movie thrice. Present perfect. He has been playing guitar since childhood. Which one do you think? Present perfect continuous. Now I'll show you some common mistakes I hear and I want you also to fix them for yourself. I'm having a car. I have a car. She have went to school. She has gone to school. Since 3 years, I'm living here. I have been living here for for 3 years. Now, I want you to comment your score below. So do let me know in the comment section if this appears fruitful to you and if my videos are working as wonders for you. Here's the present tense GPS I have created for all of you. Habit or routine or a fact, it's going to fall in present simple tense, happening right now, present continuous, past action with impact in the present, present perfect, and an action started in the past but still happening now is present perfect continuous. So congratulations, I've just helped you unlock the 4 present tense champions here. If this magical English adventure I created helped you, I want you to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, that is English Fairy Official. In couple of days, I'll be bringing you the Past Tense Chronicles. I'll uncover the secrets of was, were, and why I ate is not the same as I was eating. Trust me, you don't want to miss this grammar time travel adventure I'm planning. Now, before you go, I have a challenge for you. Drop a comment using all 4 present tenses here in one sentence. Challenge accepted. I can't wait to see your creativity. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, English is your superpower. So this is your English Fairy, and I'm signing off.